Hi everyone, I wanted to reach out, do a video, talk a little bit about what's going on in Mexico City with reference to the virus. We are on lockdown, the streets are empty, there's like an eerie stillness in the city. I've been talking to a lot of friends, we're all trying to keep calm and positive, do productive things. So in terms of what's happening in Mexico, generally we are fine. There haven't been that many cases, so I do consider that the preventive action that's been taken by the government, it's been actually quite effective. So considering the situation is really quite concerning at a global level, I wanted to do something light. I went to the supermarket yesterday. I picked up a whole bunch of Mexican goodies, Mexican snacks. These are the typical things that people snack on, that kids go crazy over, and I wanted to get the most extreme exotic flavors. I spent about 250 pesos, which is about $12, but there were still some things that I couldn't get a hold of. So I do have to mention that I don't eat a lot of these things. These are potato chips with habanero chile. Habanero chile is one of the spiciest chilies you can get in Mexico, and it's very, very popular. Oh. It's so acidic and it's very spicy. I wouldn't buy them again. Kettle cooked chips, adobado flavor. So it has chili tomato spices. These aren't very spicy and they have great seasoning. These are great. These are chipotle cheese flavored corn chips. This combination is great. It has the chipotle, smoky flavor, and the slight cheesy flavor. These are great. Pork rind imitation, but made with flour. They have a type of chili on it, which is chile piquin. Oh, I love these. Crunchy, tastes a little bit like chicharrón, so they're not off the mark. This is a pelón pelo rico, and it's a tamarind chamoy flavor. Chamoy is a dressing that Mexicans use on fruit and on their chips. It's a sweet, acidic, thick syrup. It's called pelo rico because the strands look like hair, and the strand hairs are delicious. Wow, this is really good. It's sweet, has a tiny bit of spice. This is great. I'm very surprised by this one. I wouldn't run out and get one like in a week's time, but it's quite good. Gansitos. They're an all-time favorite in Mexico. Gansos are vanilla Twinkies filled with cream and strawberry jam, coated in chocolate and sprinkles. It's so good. These nibbles are definitely exotic. Cactus corn churrito snacks. These are the original flavor, lime with salt. I like these. Perfect balance between the corn snack with a little bit of lime and the salt. Hot nuts. These are spicy Japanese peanuts with a fiery lime seasoning. These are one of my favorite snacks. And these are a little bit more acidic, but the balance with the Japanese peanut, the crunchy exterior that it has, well, I think it's a great combination. Fuego flavored kettle cooked chips. These smell like I may not like them. They're really acidic. Pulparindos are tamarind sweets. This is a really common snack in Mexico. It's made out of natural tamarind and it has sugar in it. There are a lot of tamarind sweets that have chili in them, but I prefer them without the chili. I like this one. The acidic, tangy sweetness of the tamarind. These biscuits are called Florentinas. Basically, it's a cajeta shortbread biscuit sandwich. The biscuit is buttery, the cajeta is chewy, and it's a really good quality cajeta. I really love this biscuit. This is called a pachicleta, and this is a rocaleta. I'm not gonna open these because I know that I won't like them. These are lollipops with chili in them, and the center they're like a Tootsie Pop. They have bubble gum in the middle. I've tried these before. I didn't like them, but I wanted to buy them and show you guys. These are the types of lollies kids love. The spicy, very hot, acid flavor in everything. For me, this is really quite exotic because you don't get these flavors like in Australia, for example. Pachicleta. I find this so curious, you know, and kids like really, they like crave these sweets. It's nuts. It's nuts. So these are 3 types of churros. Basically, they're corn snacks. And these are the most typical ones. Churro mais, which are seasoned with lime. I'm not gonna open these ones because they taste really quite similar to the cactus corn snacks. These are chipotle flavored cactus corn snacks. Oh, these are great. Very flavorful, has that smoky chipotle flavor. These are great. These churros are made by a local company and are seasoned with chile de árbol. The churros, the corn mixture actually has sesame seeds. So you get that nutty sesame flavor in the churro, and then you get that spicy chili hit. Squinkles! These are pineapple and tamarind flavored gummies in the shape of spaghetti. They come with a spicy sauce. Ugh. I don't like it. I don't know why kids go nuts over these things. For me, it's actually quite gross. Don't recommend that. But hey, I had to show you guys because it's such a typical snack. Bubulubu! Basically, it's marshmallow with a strawberry jelly and it's covered in chocolate. The combination is just perfect. The strawberry jelly with the marshmallow, it's like a little pillow. It's great, delicious. Obleas. It's a wafer sandwich filled with cajeta. For me, the best brand is this brand, La Sevillana. The cajeta is so rich. I could have this every day for the rest of my life. It's that good. Flaming hot kettle cooked chips. Let's see if they live up to their reputation. Oh, these are great. Yes, they are acidic. Yes, they are very spicy, but wow, I'm surprised. I love these and I would recommend them. I would not say that they are flaming hot. They're just regular spicy for me. Masa Bunnies are peanut sweets made of ground toasted peanuts and sugar. It's very sweet. You get chunks of peanut that have been toasted. The flavor is delicious. The creamy, sweet, toasted peanut flavor. It's great. Caramelized sesame seeds. Mexicans love caramelized nuts, including walnuts, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I have 3 videos lined up. I wanted to do this one first, put it up so that you guys kind of were aware of what's happening in Mexico City, and I'll be posting them bit by bit. I have to edit them. Stay safe, everybody. I will see you guys soon. Till next time, Chinita out.